Hello, my name is Dr. Apollo. So today we will be continuing the discussion in the corporate management. So particularly, we will be discussing useful information provided to business organization. So business organization rely on timely, accurate, and relevant financial and managerial information to make informed decision, ensures compliance and plan for the future. So all these things are the information that are useful for the decision making in charting the uh, course of direction in any corporation or business. So number one, the useful information is known as the growth expansion strategy. So this is the strategy of leadership in the organization. So information such as market trends, where it is heading now, what's the technology, customer demographics, are they shrinking or growing or merging, competitor analysis, had there any new entrants, they have a new product, just like that. Financial forecasting is the trends with the rates, with the inflation, support strategic planning for growth and expansion. So, for instance, business considering international expansion will use market entry analysis and report projected financial returns to assess viability. So, any CEO or group of financials is looking for this projected financial return. They want to see the viability of the place they're venturing with, and then the key strategic area. For example, recently the trends of the moguls in the USA, like Elon Musk, like uh, the Amazon, okay, and then some billionaires. No? They've been positioning in the Philippines because they see Philippines as a key strategic location in terms of English, people English is speaking, the talents, and then the technology, and then the policy of the government. All is favoring the businesses. Another, Starbucks use consumer data and financial forecasts to expand into Asian market, particularly China, where it adopted its strategy based on local preferences. Okay, another thing is the performance management. Organization use key performance indicators, KPI, variance analysis, the changes, and benchmarking, so comparing, to monitor progress against goals, benchmarking from previous year to another year before, against goals and identify areas for improvement. Example, Tesco uses data analytics to monitor store performance, stock levels, and employee productivity to streamline operations and increase profitability. That's a report. So another thing, information is the budget creation. So budgets, these are money. Forecasting, so they have to budget that. The available money at hand. Budget are essential. Budget for the expenses of the salary, like that one, materials, goods, and other contingencies for financial planning and control, so that the business will function all throughout the year, day by day. They help allocate resources efficiently and ensure alignment with strategic goals, whatever it is. Na? For example, being a goal is being predominantly uh, player in the technology, in the computer building blocks. Example, manufacturing company may use historical costs, data, and market projections to create an annual production budget that aligns with sales forecast and supply chain capacity. Sorry po. Okay, business. Another thing is a decision. So, decision maker is not the blind person. When they speak, they have a basis. Just like a research. Now, uh, when you assert one, you must have a proof, evidence to support what you are claiming. The same with businessmen. No? When they make a decision, it's based on solid facts, evidence, because the investor will go to because the decision maker is not his money. It's incorporator's money, the businessman, the investors. No? So any CEO is just an ordinary employee are there or president are there to preside, no? That's why president presiding. All his action is not his, no? There must be evidence, no? So financial statements, risk assessments, and cost benefit analysis inform a variety of business decisions from marketing, finance, investments, allocation, forecasting, and then production, and then logistics, no? Uh, State of the art technology. Product launches, hiring, and restructuring. For example, Amazon uses data analytics to decide whether to introduce new service like Prime Air based on projected return of investments and customer satisfaction. So that's a report. Okay. So another thing is investment decision. So investment decision is needs thorough and meticulously planned because it's money. Failure on this part investigation will give away the money. So business rely on capital budgeting tools like NPV, uh, the the present value of the money, internal rate of return, payback period, no, to decide whether to invest in new projects, equipment, or technology. Not only that, even the trends, the direction in terms of sales of the company, historical, just like that, no. And then, yeah, because if the company have a good history of uh, of trend, and then good the same people doing that trend, therefore chances are the there is a continuity on the return. So that's what the investor is eyeing for, no? So example, British Airways evaluates new aircraft purchases using financial modeling that includes life cycle, cost analysis, and forecasted revenues. That's a report. Okay. So another thing is the regulatory framework. So when you say regulatory framework, that means the regulation that is prevailing in the land. So if the policy is changing, so volatile, so it's hard to do an investment. Huh? There's no solid solidity of the decision, firmness of the decision. So it's aberrant or a changing, no? And no businessman can take that. They want sureness that their money will make, no? Okay, the regulatory framework and financial reporting. Companies must comply with legal frameworks such as Companies Act 2006 and the Financial Conduct Authority FCA regulations. This ensures transparency and builds investor confidence. Example, failure to comply can result in penalties or loss of investors' trusts, as seen in the collapse of example Carillion in 2018 due to financial misreporting. Or another thing is, for example, the well celebrated the Enron. Okay, there are lots of anomaly. So it's a report. Okay, another thing is reporting standards. International Financial Reporting Standards (IFRS) and UK Generally Accepted Accounting Principle (UK GAAP). The GAAP is US, but there's also another GAAP. We call it UK GAAP. Guide to Preparation and Presentation of Financial Statement. The checking. Okay, these are the standards. If the company is complying, then there is a reason to continue investments. If not, if they are not as are regulated by IFRS, GAAP, and UK GAAP, then the company is very dangerous, no? And no businessman can do that. So all businesses, top corporations are compliant to this regulatory. Okay? IFRS, GAAP, and UK GAAP. Example, a company listed on the London Stock Exchange must adheres to IFRS. So transparency and comparability with global competitors. Because IFRS ensures transparency. That means investors' money is in a good hand because It has been audited, checked. Okay? That's a report. So I think we have to end this way now. So we will continue by next session. Thank you for having me. Bye bye.